Hi everyone. I don't know if you know this, but you can make your own stickers on your iPhone and also your iPad and use them in messages. So I'm here now, and if I was to tap on this plus sign in my message just here, you'll see there's an option for stickers. And if I tap on that, you'll see I've got some here that I've created of myself and stuff, and there's some Genmojis and things like that down here. And what you'll see with some of them is that they're actually moving because they're taken from a live photo. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So what I need to do is I need to go into my photos. So I got my wife to take a photograph of me, just lifting my camera up so that I had that. So let me just go over to my photos, and here it is. And if I was to tap on it, you'll see it will play. And there you go. And that's what I want. And by creating a sticker, it's actually also going to remove the background. So I'm going to show you this. Now, if you've tried this and you found that it doesn't work, I'm going to show you what you need to do to make it work. So stay tuned. So what I need to do to make a sticker is I'm using iOS 18. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap and hold, and at the same time just slide up a bit, and it sort of creates another image. And when I let go, it comes up with add sticker. So I tapped and held, slid up a bit. It should create what looks like a duplicate image. And then it's now here where it says add sticker. So tap on that and it will come up. There it is. Now you can see it and it's not moving. And this is the problem I think a lot of people have. So what you need to do is go into add effect. So you can see here just to the left of where it says stickers, it says off. All I've got to do is tap on to switch the live on. And there we go, that's done it. You'll also see here that you've got options for different types of effects. I'm not really interested in any of these other effects. I'm just happy with original. So let me tap done. So there we are, it's ready to go. I'm now going to go back into my messages and it will be there. Okay, so I'm here in messages now. I press on the plus sign, get stickers, and there it is. I can tap on it and I've now got mine in here as well. So whilst I'm here, you can also do things like delete it and also edit again, like I said, with the add effect. So if I was to tap and hold on this one, I now get the option to delete, rearrange, which would allow me to move things around, which I'm not going to do. And again, if the live isn't working, I can go into add effect. And if it was a live photo, I could do that here. So let me just tap on done. So I'm just going to remove that just by pressing that X on the top right there. And the other way you can get this is if you go down to the bottom left here where you've got your emoji symbol, tap there and you'll have your stickers here as well. You can see that it's got this one of me here on the third row down, and I can tap on that and there we go. So there you go. That's how you can create a sticker, but particularly a live sticker, which is using your live photo as well. So maybe you'll think about it just like I did. I got my wife to take a photograph of me lifting up the camera. She took the picture as I got it up to my eye, and that way it had a bit before and a bit after. And then obviously I just held it there. So that's what I did with that. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. I find it fun and I hope you do too. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe and come back for more.